Lessons in the dark. Me never learn much when things go right. It's the quiet tears in the night, when the phone don't ring, when hope feels thin. That's when the truth sink in. Me thought success would teach me fast, but failure show me what can last. When the lights cut off and pride follow, that's when me find solid ground. Sunshine nice, but shadow eyes. Lessons in the dark. That's where me grow, when me can't see far. Still me know every bruise leave a mark, every spark start in the dark. Me find me strength when it hard. Lessons in the dark. Me see who stay when things get tight, who disappear without a fight. Hard times pull the curtain back, show who real and who just act. Me face myself without disguise. No applause, no outside eyes, just me and the quiet truth, rebuilding me own roots. Dark don't last, but it teach fast. Lessons in the dark, sharper than light, turn weakness into might. Lessons in the dark, no shortcut road, no easy spark. Me build me heart in the dark. Oh, oh, yeah. Me used to fear the lonely night, now me see it birth inside. Storm clouds bring the rain, rain wash away the pain. Every setback right alive, in a bigger grand design. When it's heavy, when it's dark, there's lessons in the dark. Make me who me be, from broken parts to clarity. Lessons in the dark. Even when me feel apart, me know it shaped me heart. Me grateful for the heart. Lessons in the dark. Oh, light shine bright. Oh, light shine bright. Because of dark.